Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm bringing you another video today. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually gonna go fishing at a nearby stream. Now I'm gonna show you what I catch. So, about to go fishing. Alright. So I finally got a fish. I'll unhook him real quick. So there he is. Finally got one. Something huge just splashed up here, so I'm about to go fish up here. Something big just splashed. Alright, I only caught one fish today, but if we get this to 15 likes, I will come out here and do another fishing video. Guaranteed at least 5 fish, because today I was catching them, but I missed them every time. So if we get this to 15 likes, I will do another fishing video out here in this creek. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.